What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy, OS Ron back here with
Beans, that's a check talking. Take all your pants. Bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me do my dance. Bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans. Far up.
Today I got a special video. Today, story time, you know what I'm saying? I got a story time on a time I almost died or got caught in a police car chase. Bruh, I almost died, bruh. Like, my life, oh my god, bruh. I almost died. You know what I'm saying? So before we get into this story time, go grab you some snacks, drink, and get ready to relax for this story time. You know what I'm saying? Before we get started, bruh, you already know what I'm about to say, bruh. Go follow me on the gram. Go follow me. It's gonna be like right there. Go follow me.
No.
But first, I'm not feeling this hoodie, so I'm about to change. There we go. Alright, so you know what I'm saying? So it all started back in, what was it, 2010. So I was 10 years old. I'm 16. I was about 10 years old. So I was a little Ron, you know what I'm saying? I was a little boy. You know what I'm saying? So it was like 3 p.m. I was outside, you know what I'm saying? It was summertime and I was outside with my friend. And we had our bikes, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know the little BMX bikes when you're young, bro. You and your friends, you know, riding around and all that, bro. I had my bike. And we were just out like chilling, bro. We was running around chilling, you know what I'm saying? We had our little BMX bikes. We was out there chilling, bro. We were just chilling, bro, you know what I'm saying? On our bikes racing. We was doing tricks, you know what I'm saying? I was a god, bro. I was a god on the bike, bro. We was out there chilling. And so it was like, we was out there riding around, cause in front of my house, it's a school, and then it's a parking lot. First it's a parking lot, then it's a school. Dummy. And like, we was in front, like it's right in front of my house. We was just riding around on our bikes, bro. Get it lit, you know what I'm saying? So we was just having fun for real. And we were just riding on our bikes for like a few hours. So we rode on until it got dark, you know what I'm saying? So we was out there just chilling, having fun, all the way until it got to like 8 o'clock. It was like 8 or 9 o'clock. It got dark. So that's when we was like, well, that's when my friend, I'm gonna call him Bottle.
Nick.
That's when Bottle, he said, hey man, I'm getting tired. And he lived right next to me. So it was like, hey bro, I'm getting tired. I'm about to go in the house. I'm about to put my bike up. I'll be back out. So I was like, all right. I kept my bike out, and I was like riding around in the parking lot. I stayed out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm over there riding, and I see he left, and he had came back. And he ain't had his bike. He came back to my house, and he just watching me. I was just riding around on my bike. So no, it's nighttime, and he just watch. I'm just out there. We just talking. I'm riding on my bike, having fun. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I wasn't ready to put my thing up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just riding around, and that's when like I got tired, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was like, all right, it's getting late. It's about time for me to put my bike up, cause like it's getting late. So I was like, all right, bro. So I ride in the parking lot. I do some wheelies now, so I gotta show up. You know?
Bruh.
Hit my wheelies, you know what I'm saying? So I'm doing some wheelies and everything, and then so I head towards, like, I'm going straight, so the school is right there, and then the parking lot is like right there. So I head towards the school, and I turn around. So I turn around, and like as I'm turning around to my left side, on my left side, it's like a street. You come down, you turn, you come down this one-way street. So I look to my left. That's when I see a dude on a motorcycle. He going like, he coming at me fast. He was like driving towards me, and then at the time I didn't see the police like behind him. So he driving towards me, and I'm on my bike. I'm just froze, bro. I'm looking like. I'm like, bro, I'm just sitting there. He going fast. I'm just sitting there. He getting closer to me. So I'm just sitting there. I'm staring at him on my bike like this. My friend, he was on my porch, so he was across the street. I'm in the middle of the parking lot. I look to my left. Dude coming towards me. So I'm like, oh shoot. I look down. Bro, I started pedaling, bro. So I was trying to get out the way, bro. He was going full speed because he was getting chased by the cops. So the cops was right behind him. They're like, they right behind him. So I'm pedaling. I pedaled across the street to my house. And as soon as I got like across the street, he almost hit the back of my tire. It was like it was close. You know what I'm saying? So he went right past me, like right behind me, and I hurried up and paddled to my front porch. And then once I got on my porch, I had turned around. You know, me and my friend, bro, we was not about to go in my house. Like, bro, I wanted to see that. You know what I'm saying? So I get off my bike, I hop on my porch, I turn around. This cop car gone, bro. So right next to the parking lot, like on this side of the parking lot, it's a field. It's like a huge field. So he coming down. They chasing him. Dude on the motorcycle. He going. The cops right behind him, bro. They going fast as ever, bro. So he cut through the field. He going fast, bro. The cops is like right behind him. Gone. So he chasing him. Me and my friend like, oh my god, bro. We just froze, bro. We like, bro, we was froze, bro. So we just watching. And then as soon as he cut through the field, it's like another parking lot on the other side of the field. But this time it leads to a street. So he go through the parking lot, go through the field, the cop right behind him. And he chasing him. So he get to the street and he take a left. And when you keep going, it's like, it's an apartment building, and then it's like a complex. So he cut through the apartment building, and he goes straight into the heat, bro. He went through a fence, it's like a fence, and then you can go into the apartment building. So he go right into the fence. He go right through the doors because they open. And then all I saw was, my man got hit, bro. He ran into the wall, or he ran into something I couldn't see because like my house is like right here, and the apartment building is like down here. It's kind of hard to explain, but I could see like the lights flickering from the cops. They gone, bro. So he hit something. I guess he hit the wall or something, and I'm like,
is this man okay?
so he like on the ground, bro. He like,
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
my man crippled on the ground, bro. The cops, they run up to him, and they start,
Stay home, bro.
dude, he got up, he like, bro, he was hurt. You know what I'm saying? So me and my friend, we just on my porch watching the entire thing, bro. It was crazy because I almost died, and I was terrified, bro. I was shaking, you know what I'm saying? Because when he brushed past me, like, he literally, I felt the wind, bro. Went right brush off the back of my bike tire, bro. I was shaking, bro. I was pedaling and shaking to the house, bro, because I was scared, bro. Like, I froze up as he was coming towards me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was about to die. So after that, after the cops had stopped him and everything, they put him in the trunk. By the way, I just realized I said trunk. They put him in the back seat. Y'all know what I was talking about. And all that. And me and my friend, we just on my porch just talking like, bro.
That was crazy. That was crazy. Did you see that? Like, yeah, I saw that.
It was crazy. You know what I'm saying? So after that, he ended up going to the house. He said, like,
it's too crazy for me. It's too crazy.
He ran back to his house right next to mine. So I'm like, all right, bro, I'm about to go in the house. So I ended up, you know what I'm saying, put my bike in my garage. And I went straight in his house. You know what I'm saying? And that's the end of that story. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this story time that I have for y'all today. Because I had to tell y'all this. And this is my first story time. So if it ain't a banger or it ain't funny, then like the video and comment down below. Hashtag needs improvement. I'm saying, don't even dislike it. Hashtag needs improvement. I'm saying, cause like this is my first time, so I don't know. I might have missed some stuff, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do better next time. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like, comment, and so let's go. My Instagram. Go follow it. Like right now, I'm not even playing. Like follow my stuff. That's all. Nah, we're real. 15 likes for the next story time. Let's get it. It's your boy.